Hello everybody. I wanted to go over an indicator that I found yesterday which looks quite useful if you do some dollar cost averaging. So it is called, as you can see here, Binance Basis Oscillator. So when we have a look at the source code, then actually it is taking here as a ratio the price of the perpetual contracts divided by the spot contracts minus 1 times 100, and this indicator does it on the Binance chart for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So if you look at the settings, so here you can choose Bitcoin or Ethereum. So basically from this ratio it will take then moving average. And so basically what happens is that when we are very bullish and traders want to trade leveraged, the price on the perpetual contracts will be higher than the spot price. Also in a bearish market, the opposite happens. So the price on the perpetual market will be lower than the spot price. That's also why you have the funding rate to try to compensate for those differences. But anyway, this indicator gives it quite well where the overbought and oversold regions are. So of course it only has the history of Binance. So this is the Bitstamp chart, which has more history, but it starts here for Binance. So you see here we turn green, so which means that nobody is really interested in trading the perpetual contracts. So price is rather made by the spot market. So here is a good region to accumulate. Then we see here that short-term traders are taking over, and then we reach a high around here, this period. And then price comes down. Here we reach a low, but high leverage traders are still not interested. So we end up in the green zone, so you can start accumulating over here. And then we come out of the green zone, and then we're slightly going upwards. And then here we reach a peak again over here, a little bit in the red. We come down a little bit. Then here we end up in the green, so that's again a buying area. You don't get the lows, but the regions it indicates are really good. And then you trade all the way up. So here on these highs, you get into the red. So you know, okay, we reached a level where I can start taking profit. You don't close everything, because as you can see, we come down a bit, but people are still trading high leveraged. We come further up, we're still in the red, so on those new highs, you can start taking profit. And then I would say once you come out of the red zone is like the last moment where you close out your long position. So here that would be around these tops. And then you come down. Then here we end up in this green zone. And then once we are out of it, then would be your last moment to get in. And then we ride a wave up. And then again here on the all-time high, we get into again an oversold condition. We turn from red back to white over here. So this is the last moment we get out. So and then you get out around, let's see, around 58,000. So you missed out about $10,000 from the top. Anyway, still nice. And then we come down, and as you can see from here on, we start to turn green again. So here are then the good moments to start accumulating Bitcoin. Or we wait until this green indicator turns white again, and that would be the very last moment to get in. So I think this is quite a good indicator. At least it prevents you from buying near the tops if you do dollar cost averaging. So you would just wait and ride the whole wave up, slowly sell, price comes down, we turn green, you slowly start buying again, and then we come up. So this is I think I will use this one as well in the future. This looks good. So then what's going on with Bitcoin? I must say, for the past days, those harmonic patterns, they worked out so well. Unfortunately, I couldn't trade much of them. This is on the 15-minute chart. You see this one over here. This pattern worked out perfectly. The next one again, perfect. Next one, deep crap. Both take profits hit. We form a new pattern, bat, bullish one, 2 take profits taken. And this morning I was trading this one, the smaller one. This I believe it was a bat. So with entry here, and then we came all the way down to the hop, and even below the hop. So that's a bit the difficulty of trading those harmonics is where will you put your stop loss. So according to the inventor of the harmonics, you should where's my box tool? You should take the distance here from XA to your hop, and then you move this one below your hop. So this one would just have stopped out, but while this price action was going on to the downside, then we formed this crap, and then this one made all this profit. So it's quite incredible, I must say. But if we look on the 1 hour chart, so as I mentioned before, we got a short signal for the super trend. But look at this yellow trend line. First I was looking at the trend line like this, which we broke. So this is the one that I'm looking at now, and this worries me here, having this grinding effect. We're slowly coming up, retesting support several times. This doesn't look good. I think from here we might get more to the downside. But of course we're gonna have to see what the market will do. So in a few hours, in 1 hour, we have Jerome Powell who will speak. And the markets are, to be honest, they really react strange. So we have Bitcoin going down, then going up. Look at gold, minus 55. But then silver, on the other hand, is up plus 0.17 for the moment. S&P 500, hardly making any moves. But then Euro USD, this one is up plus 0.65. This is making a huge bounce, and copper is also making a nice bounce, plus almost 1.9. So we would get a buy signal if we can keep this price by the end of the day. Crude oil is doing nothing. It's really it's really crazy. yeah, we're gonna have to see what what happens in an hour. But yeah, for now, I don't really see any clear direction where we are going to. So Ethereum, also nothing for the moment, fairly stable. Solana as well, XLM 1.8 up, Doge also flat. Yeah. So it will be a surprise what will happen in an hour. We will see. Okay, enjoy the rest of your day. See you in the next one. Bye bye.